Here's all the lovely vintage home decor items that I thrifted this week. So from Facebook Marketplace is this beautiful Hollings & Co. vase, and it's got this iridescent drip glaze and it is beautiful. I love that. And then from Emmaus, I bought these really old picture frames which need a really good clean. I paid £2 each, so there's 2 pairs. So there's those, which I think are 2 seasons, yes, autumn and spring, and then these 2 which are cherubs. So I love those. The frames are really old, they're a bit tatty, but they've got a really awesome goth kind of dark academia look to them. Next is this lovely poppy and cactus limited edition print, also from Emmaus. I picked up these 2 fruit bowls. I thought they were really pretty, and in the same trip I picked up this gorgeous colourful parrot bowl, this beautiful blue leaf bowl, and this lovely floral wall hanging plate, and that's marked Italy on the back. I also picked up this footed bowl. Now this was outside in their garden section, and this Villeroy and Boch little container. I have mugs of these which I can't remember if they've sold or not, but in the same design, which is design Neff. Then there was this little crystal milk jug, and that is etched on the bottom with Rogasca. Now it has got this milky white on the bottom here, which can happen from dishwashing and the high temperatures. So I will make another video on a trick on how to remove that. And also from Emmaus were these beautiful little hand blown glass bowls, and the lady at the desk did say that it was one of their customers that donated the bowls that they'd made, and they were just beautiful, £1 each, and I think they're just such a lovely little set. And also these glass coasters. Now they've got a real sort of shift to it, almost like a butterfly wings or a dragonfly's wings. I also picked up this beautiful ceramic basket with all the hand painted florals on it, this piece of wall art, and it's got all the inlaid wood and what I would guess is bone marquetry, so all that fine detail. All it needs is a good clean and a polish. My final pickup, it's going to be a bit of a project, is this absolutely beautiful casserole dish. It's Spode Blue Galaxy, and it doesn't look like this pattern is made anymore, and it is quite hard to find. But the obvious problem is this defect up here. So it's obviously shattered and been glued in a rather poor fashion, and that's all yellowed and it just looks terrible. So I am going to try and re-break it by softening the glue and re-gluing it and trying to make it as seamless as possible. So I will make a video when I do that. That's all my pickups for this week. Not too many, but some really nice things, I think. So if there's anything that catches your eye, just send me a message, send me a DM, and yeah, it'll be a little bit of a while before any of the stuff makes it onto the website. So if something catches your eye and you want it now before anyone else gets it, then just get in contact. Bye.